my friends! Good morning! Good morning! Wow, you cannot see me. So, this is my face of the day. I just did a simple, I just did some lashes and a little bronzer on my eyes and some blush on. So today is Saturday. I have a makeup appointment. Yeah, I will not be doing, so I think that mas okay na ba lighting dito? So I will be doing makeup today, guys, together with my friend Cykaniki. Yeah, I will be meeting her after our call time. Is if I don't know if I already mentioned it, but our call time is around 9:30 in the morning. So it's still not yet 8. Yan, wala pang 8. So I'll just quickly eat my breakfast. And ayan si mother looking at me. Crazy. Why are you always crazy? Wag na.
Exercise me, Ron.
Exercise daw. So the rain decided to rain. Ang lakas. It's gonna be flooding again. It's already 8 a.m. I cannot see the road. So we are on our way now, guys, and ang lakas ng ulan na OMG. So lumakas. There's my beautiful, my handsome driver. Wow, flex on dayon. Killer kayo ni Sharon.
Maglarong dad.
Eyes on the road, eyes on the road. Yeah, it's so rainy. But still early. Call time is 9. But this is a little TMI, but I wanted to go to the toilet. I don't know if I'm gonna go na or before or after. Whew. So I'll see you later. Maybe I'll do a little vlogging on my clients. Sa doon? Bitaw, no?
Lagi ni mo lang.
Yeah. Even on Saturdays, traffic pa rin, guys. Walang sinasanto yung traffic. I think only Sunday. Sunday lang yung walang traffic. Even here at SRP. So, yun. I'm gonna be showing to you. Yun ba? Sinabi ko na ba, guys? I don't have lipstick yet, but I'm gonna apply later. And yun, maybe if I have the opportunity or okay lang ng mga clients ko that I will film them, then I will show you all their mix-ups their before and after.
Yeah, mix-up.
Mix-up.
That's mix-up.
What?
Mix-up. You mix up the mix-up.
Make-up yun pala. Laging below si Ate Jer. So yan, and I'm gonna see you later. Babush! So, nandito na kami sa hotel, guys, but I'm still waiting for my friend. It's already 9:30, but I'm still waiting for my friend, and I guess my clients are still hindi pa din sila naka-check-in, so 9:30 pa daw. So yan, check-in muna sila, and I don't know kung naka-check-in na sila kasi it's already 9:30. I thought it would be earlier, but yeah, I'm still waiting, and hindi pa siya nag-reply. I'm just gonna wait for her reply if nandito na siya. So, yun. Guys, I'm with Cykaniki now, and we are going to do...
Asap ko talon.
Dini girl.
Hi guys!
So, we're just... Long time no see, guys. So, we are doing hair and makeup today. We are partners in crime today, guys.
Assist, guys.
Finally, so, yun. Wala pa yung iba. Isa pa lang yun nandito. So, hopefully, we will film... Not film, but just, you know, take video sa ilahang before and after.
Oo.
Ikaw ba? Sige lang. So yun, see you later, guys. Bye! Hi! Hi! Pretty face mo kayo ni sila. Lahi dyan ka ilang face, no?
Ay, ilang face.
Yay! Beautiful na kay girl. Guwapa kay girl. Pang artistahin. O, diba? Ganahan ko ano akong gimake up.
Hello!
Shy. Nawawa na. Sige ka. Say hi. Oh, ha? Baba na si Christine. Spin. Para makita imong hairstyle from Cykaniki. Today! Mauli ang pinakabugat nga koan nga hairstylist sa Cebu. Oh, char.
Dead ang akong vlog.
So yung nga nindot na ba mong camera, di ba? Bago ba ito mong cam, di ba?
Oh!
Nindot na ba ito mong mga vids.
Anak daw na.
Oh, di ba?
Wapa kay on po. Hi!
Mauwaw ka tong isa ay kanadeng duha. Kay Waki, kay Stanan. Okay. Hi! Oh, guwapa. Wow, this is my pretty, oh. This is her after, di ba? The scene shoot.
Nice.
Hair and makeup turned out to be a photography session.
Hi guys!
Grabe, as in, kuan jud kay ni si Cyka is very talented, oh. Yung mga photographer.
And smile, love it.
Here are my girls!
1, 2,
Diba?
girl! Hawa sa musalay.
Guys, so, we're done now. We are here at SMC side. This is not... So, we are just eating. We haven't eaten lunch yet since this morning. So, I'm just going to eat Whopper. Wow, kawawa na yung face ko, guys. So, yeah, Luke is just waiting for his chicken with rice. Here at Burger King! Yeah. So, I'm not supposed to drink Coke, but I'm gonna drink Coke.